Hey, welcome to another video. This is a mini haul and unboxing from a shop in the UK called Artbox. They sell many kawaii stuff and Sanrio items, and if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Hi again. So we have another Happy Mail, and this time it's from a company called Artbox. This is located in London. It took less than a week to deliver from the time of order. So let's see what I have. So I want to show you the stuff that I got. There's only 3 items in this order. This is the second time I ordered from this shop. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by them. I wouldn't mind if they do, but it's not sponsored. Okay, so these are my goodies. Okay, so it's located in Covent Garden, and it's a cafe as well, so maybe next time that I go to London, I'll visit the shop and check them out. But now, because of COVID, we can't really travel, so but hopefully soon. So what do we have here? Oh no, let's start with the small one. So these are just charms. And these are like a mirror and brush set that you could use as a keyring or a keychain in your bag. And I love it because it's the classic design. And let's see what it looks like. So it's really small, but it has the classic design that I love. Okay. So cute. I might not even use this brush, but just to use it as a charm. So that's one. So this is just gonna be a short haul, because like what I've said, it's just 3 orders. And this is a basket, or like a shopping basket, because I need to organize all my Hello Kitty items that I've bought previously, and they're just all over the place. So I think I might need to get another one of this. I just wanted to try it at first, so I will see what is the size and how it looks like in person. So here it is. It's very cute and with handles. So this was like $7.99, I think. I can't even remember. Is there a price? No, there's no price. Well, I would put the price on the screen. Okay. Set it here. And the last one, hope it didn't break. So that box is empty now. These are This is a set of glass mugs. So the box says, everyday treasures bring pleasures that touch our hearts. And that's family. Hello Kitty and her family. So if I understand it, it's Mary White, George White, Hello Kitty, and that with a pink bow is Mimi, but should be wearing yellow bow, but I don't know why she's wearing pink. But you will know Hello Kitty wears her bow on the left side and Mimi wears hers on the right side. So hopefully it's all safe and sound and not broken. Touch your heart. So it comes in a set of 2 and with coasters, wooden coasters. There's no design on it. So it's just plain wood. So here's one. I didn't think it was really big. So it's just not that small, not that big, but it's alright. So there you go. It's too delicate, but they said that it's for hot. You could use it for hot beverages, and it's too fragile. Okay, so you just set your drink like that. So the design is very cute. And let's see the other one. So the other one has a different design. This one is with the whole family, the whole gang. But this one is just Hello Kitty. So there's no receipt on the box, so I will just put the price on the screen somewhere. I think it's just reasonable. Alrighty. So thank you for joining me in this small haul. I hope you liked it. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you on my next one. Take care everyone. Bye.